What are we filming for dinner tonight, Mom?
Oof, I'm feeling like enchiladas.
Enchiladas? Wait, didn't you say recently you're trying to low carb it nowadays?
I am, but I have a way around that. I'm gonna make low carb enchiladas.
Low carb. Okay, you want to show me how to make it?
I do, and you know what? I think we got all the ingredients right here in our pantry.
Cool thing, let's do it.
Let's do it. Coop. All right, I'm just calling them naked enchiladas because I'm not going to put the tortillas in them.
No tortillas?
No tortillas.
Okay.
I'm trying to be a little low carb.
Okay.
And it's still delicious.
All right, Mom, so what is the first step?
First, we're going to start with some shredded chicken.
Now, what are we going to do with this chicken?
We are just going to add some ingredients to it. Now, if you've made enchiladas before, you can just make what you do for enchiladas. I kind of like kitchen sink it a little bit.
What does that mean?
It means like you put everything that's in the kitchen sink in it. It's like, you know how the sink's piled up with stuff? You just keep piling it in. It's like everything in the kitchen sink.
All right, yeah.
Right? So I had some green onions. You could use red onions. You can any kind of onions. I had some corn.
So we're just gonna start plopping this stuff in here?
Just plop it in, yep. That's right. No, Cooper. Please, don't. Yeah, just be careful. I don't want to be picking all that up. Perfect.
Gotta be a little dramatic sometimes.
Now, you can just add a thing of taco seasoning. Super easy.
What kind of stuff's in that taco seasoning?
Oh, we got red pepper. We have what do we have in here? We got some.
What is in this seasoning?
Red pepper, citric acid. We don't need to know. It's just good.
It tastes good. Hey, Mom.
We're gonna get that seasoning in there. Okay.
It smells good.
Right? It smells limey and yummy.
Limey, yeah.
Limey and yummy.
It smells limey and yummy.
Limey and yummy.
And now we're gonna add maybe like a couple scoops of sour cream.
Sour cream?
Yep. I'd say like half a cup if one were measuring.
We don't do that here.
We just kind of get it to the right consistency. And then we're gonna do the same with the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise adds a little bit of tang, and it kind of like brings things together.
Yeah.
You can start with that.
Okay, cool.
Stop it. No, not again.
All right, let's get this all mixed up in here.
Here.
Here. We'll get this all mixed up in here.
You don't have to add salt because that packet is pretty high in sodium.
But boy, do we love it.
We do. We kind of have an issue, actually.
Got a sodium problem.
Can we just show them?
Yeah.
Just kind of like clinging together, you see?
Yeah.
Just sticking together.
Like glue.
Cool. It tastes good.
It tastes good.
You should taste things, before you cook them.
Yeah, because you don't know if you need to add a little bit extra this or that.
This kid's learning. What do you know? After 20 episodes.
All right.
Let's just stick this in our casserole dish.
A casserole dish.
Perfect. Normally this would be the filling you would roll up in your enchiladas.
Oh, okay.
And then you would stick them all in a row in the pan.
Wait, can we get a ASMR? Here, we got these clip mics now, but let me get that close.
Satisfying.
I think some will find it satisfying and some will not.
You know what though? Since you brought that to my attention, it is pretty fun. The whole ASMR thing.
Oh yeah, like making satisfying noises?
Yes.
Yeah.
What does it stand for again?
Editor, put the definition of ASMR in there. But it's like auto sensory meridian response, I
think. Good job, Coop.
Yeah, and it has to do with like when you hear things or when you're stimulated in some way, your body has like a reaction to it. Yeah.
Cool.
Interesting.
I like it. All right.
We got our poblano sauce.
Poblano sauce.
We made this in the last episode, so if you want to know how to make it, go back and watch that one. So we're gonna get this on top of here?
We are.
Okay.
As you remember, it was a little spicy. I actually, when the set broke down, I added a little more mayonnaise and it was absolutely perfect. Let's smear some of this on. We don't have to use it all, just get a nice little layer going.
A little, layer of poblano film on top of here. We don't want no naked bits on our naked
right. No
casserole
naked
here.
And we're gonna finish it with some cheddar cheese.
Some cheddar.
This is the Mexican blend with Colby Jack, cheddar, Monterey Jack. It's good. I like it because it's finely shredded. See?
Oh yeah, very thin.
And it melts really easily. So
nice.
we're gonna get this into a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes.
All right, let's just throw it in there.
Oh, don't forget to cover it.
Oh,
I
silicone.
ordered these on Amazon. Plop it on top and you put it in the oven and you don't have to use foil.
Hey, you can reuse it.
Right.
Great. Cool.
Reuse.
Reduce.
Reuse.
Recycle.
Something like that.
Oh my God. Yo, check this out.
This looks delicious.
That is an enchilada casserole.
It's gorgeous.
I've ever seen
It's
one.
naked.
It's naked.
It's naked.
Naked.
No tortillas or tortillas. Let's
do
it.
Let's go get that taste on. Mmm, steamy. Ooh. Thank it.
That's really good.
Oopsie.
That's delicious.
It is so good.
You know,
So good.
And the poblano sauce, like, I don't know, like it mellowed out with the baking, I think. Because now it just has like good flavor.
Yeah, it's not really spicy anymore. It's just like has that pepper flavor in it. Well, that roasted pepper flavor.
I'm getting a little undertone of heat, but it's definitely mellow. It's not like how it was, like if you were just diving into it. It's okay. That beard catches
not
a
a
lot of food, apparently.
It's seriously really good, guys. And
Really good.
it's really simple. And I feel like you could make this, I don't know, like if you had some like baguettes of bread or something, you can like put it on there. I don't know.
It's supposed to be naked. You're just adding the carbs back in. How about we serve a side salad with it?
A side salad.
A
There
side
you go.
salad.
This with a side salad.
Stop.
I'm trying to innovate.
Innovative. He's trying to be innovative. Good job, Coop.
Thanks, Mom. I hope you guys enjoyed watching yet another episode of Cooking with Coop, and we hope you enjoyed this meal.
Exactly.
It's really easy,
Try
really
it.
simple. If you made it, let us know down in the comments below. Also, make sure to like and comment and subscribe and share this video with your friends and your family so we can keep making more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. And today, Mom, what are we making?
We're making naked enchiladas.
What? Okay.
Good.
Naked enchiladas. What? Perfect. I like this new beginning. It's
Good job, Coop.
Thanks, Mom.